Could definitely daily this. Come on, man. Yes, sir, man. We do have the CLA, man. What is up with y'all, man? This is your boy Witness, and we do have a beautiful vehicle today. We are driving the CLA 45S. And yeah, man. I originally recorded this intro already, but it messed up and it wasn't a good angle. So I'm gonna give y'all this one, man. Show y'all the interior. It's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful car. And yeah, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this one. Well, we about to get on the road. Y'all know I always take y'all with me. So let's do it. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I have been working. Y'all might not have been able to notice due to the fact that I did already have videos pre-recorded. But yes, I am back and I am better. Still working on the mount situation. This is my first video, so please bear with me. We're gonna get the angles together. We're gonna upgrade some mic quality and everything else at a later date. But yeah, man, this is the CLA 45S. Very, very fast. It sounds great. The exhaust is absolutely amazing. It's not too much on the interior. I'll give y'all a view. It's very, very simple on the interior, but it is very nice. I do love the seats. The ambient lighting is as in the car as well, but it's just off right now due to the fact that it's so bright outside. But yeah, man, I hope y'all doing all right. Man. You feel me? Yeah. Hopefully we in some quick fast in the next few videos, man. And I want to say thank y'all. Hold on, I'll wait till we get past the stoplight, bruh. It is 12 right here, so I can't really tweak out too much. But I can give a few pulls for y'all. So, as I was saying, man, I appreciate the love on my last G-Wagon video. That video went up, man. Y'all show love throughout the comments, throughout the likes, man. And it just makes me want to keep going. You know what I'm saying? So, we going hard. But, yeah, so I just want to say, man, I appreciate y'all for showing the love that y'all did on the last video, man. That shit is so appreciated. And you feel me? The only way is up on this channel. So, man, y'all just reach for the stars with me, bro. We're going to go up. You feel me? We are going to go up. Jesus. Little pull for y'all, man. Come on, man. Little pull for y'all. It feel good to be back. It feel good to be back in something quick, man. I was traveling for work, and I haven't been able to be in the fastest vehicle, so it's very, very, very refreshing to get back to what I love doing, is driving these fast-ass cars in a safe manner. But I also seen a comment that said, sometimes y'all don't really always care about the, the cutting up and all that. Sometimes y'all just want to cruise in a good conversation, some gems. And, man, we could do that as well, you know what I'm saying? We can do that as well, man. So everything is good, man. Everything is cool and swell, man. It's 12 everywhere around it, and they want to pull somebody over. I know they do. They won't catch me lacking. No sirski. No sirski. But yeah, man, like I always say, I hope y'all doing good, man. How y'all day been? How y'all week been, man? I hope y'all is trying to progressively reach y'all goals, man. I know some of y'all watch these for inspiration, man, to hopes to be in some of these cars one day, man. And I'm telling you, it's super possible. Sometimes you got to kind of see it to believe it. So hopefully I'm here to do that for you guys. Ooh! Hopefully I'm able to do that for you guys and give y'all a little bit of insight of some of these cars, man, and how it feels to drive them. You feel me? Because ain't no content like mine, I feel like. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I feel like my variety is like it's crazy. My variety is crazy. I don't think anybody else is going to be able to touch this channel. So y'all continuously show the love and the support, and I'm telling you, we'll be able to reach every single avenue y'all want me to. And like I always say, man, the only way is up. So let's do it, man. Let's do it. Yeah. Big S plus, by the way. You can also change your exhaust here. I'll show you. They do have a race mode, but I'm not too well with my paddle shifters. I'm trying to get better at it. Sports, comfort, individual, and slippery. But we take care of our cars. But yeah, man, nothing too crazy. I think this is wireless charging down here. Wireless charging, excuse me. Cup holders. This is how you change your dynamic modes. Keys. And yeah, man, I love this car though. I could definitely daily this. I could definitely daily this car. Let me know. Comment down below. Could you daily this car? Could you daily this car? Because I understand like the CLAs and stuff are more like, the smaller sedans. But I love this car. But yeah. All right, y'all. I've made it to my destination, so I will pick back up the camera once I get to where I'm going. So, yeah. Damn. copyright. Oh my God, I'm finna get copyright like a motherfucker. Hopefully, bro, I'm gonna chop that up, so hopefully you can't hear the music. But yeah, man, that looks like we are going to wrap up this video. I gave y'all a little pull, man. I did have to make a quick stop today, but nothing too crazy, nothing too long of a drive. But yeah, hopefully y'all like the new setup, man. I did have to readjust my my mount, but it should look good now. This is probably where it's gonna be at for the remainder of my YouTube videos or whatnot, man. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this, man. Let me know how y'all like these cars, how y'all like the talking content. Do y'all like it talking, or do you like it less just only hearing the vehicle? All right, y'all, that looks like that's going to conclude my video for today, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all was able to get some of them pulls, and it's very good sound. And I recommend watching my videos with headphones for future reference. Just letting y'all know, man, from me to you. But yeah, I always appreciate y'all for watching. There's so much love going around that I'm gonna keep producing for y'all. But y'all be safe.